Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the EREN Yeager Titan from Attack on Titan. Now, he is a little bit creepy looking, especially in the black and white version, so hope you guys don't get too creeped out by him. But stay tuned for the coloring part because I think you'll really enjoy it. So thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy. Now, to start off with our EREN Yeager Titan, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to begin by starting right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up and down like this. Next, I'm going to leave quite a bit of space, and I'm going to do that same thing. I'm going to go down, I'm going to come up, and then down like this, kind of like a check mark. Now, starting right in here, we're going to make a good-sized circle shape right at the bottom of our little check mark, and we're going to do that on both sides. Then we're going to add just a little point at the end of each one. Now, then he's going to have kind of like this little shape right around his eye. So what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of draw a line that goes out and then down. I'm going to go over, I'm going to come up, and then back like this. So we'll do the same thing, we'll go down and then over. We'll go straight across, we'll go up, and then bring it back like this. Inside of the eye, we'll make a circle shape inside each one. And then we'll just put a little black dot inside each one. Next up here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and down for the eyebrows. And we'll go up and then down. Starting here, I'm just going to make a little line that comes down for the nose. Then I'm going to make a little line that comes down here, and then one that comes down here. Kind of like two little comma shapes. We'll do a line that goes up and down, and another one that goes up and down, just to kind of show the form of the nose. And we'll do a little curved line here to show the end of it. You kind of connect those two. Now for the mouth, I'm going to start by drawing a line that comes down on each side. And then we're going to make them kind of bumpy as they come down. And then as they come across, I'm just going to add a few little bumps here. Then I'm going to draw a long line that comes down on each side. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes in on each side. And then it's going to come straight across. Now I want to make the teeth in here. So to do this, I'm just going to add a little line right along the bumps of our little top part that we made. And then I'm just going to connect them with a little curved line here for the teeth. And we're just going to connect all of these. And the teeth are going to come all the way back here. I'm going to make a little line down here, a little line that goes over and down for the front teeth. And we're just going to make some lines that are just going to go over and then down, just to make the teeth on the bottom part. So we'll just go over and then down, just to make all these teeth. I'll make a line that goes down like this, and another one here, with a long line down for the tongue. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to come over, and then up. Now, kind of starting right by the eye, we're going to make a line that's going to come in. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to start by the eye and then come in. And then we're just going to angle it down. Now, starting right over here, I'm going to just kind of curve these lines up on each side. And then right about here, I'm going to start the ear. So I'm just going to make a long line that's going to go up to a point, and then it's going to come down and then curve up. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to bring this up to a point, we're going to go down and then curve up. We'll make a little line that's going to go up and down, and a little line that's going to go up and down. We'll add a couple little lines that go down, a little line that goes down and then curves up. Now, starting right here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to come down, and then another one that's going to come down for kind of like the neck. Then I'm going to make another line that comes out here on each side. We'll make a little line that comes in, and then we'll do another one that comes in right here. We'll make a line that goes over and down, and then over and down. A little line that goes out and down, and a little line that goes out and down. Now, the last thing we need to do on our EREN YEAGER TITAN is to add the hair. And his hair is pretty wild and crazy, so we're going to kind of put this all over. We'll start right here in the middle, and I'm just going to make a long line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come up to here. We'll make another one that goes down and up. And put another one, bring it up, right up to here. Now, we're going to be kind of drawing through some stuff, but it's okay because his hair is going to be like a dark brown. So starting here, I'm going to draw this line right by the eye, and it's going to come down here by the face. It's going to come up. It's going to go out again, and then it's going to come up to here. Now, this one right here, it's going to go down. It's going to come out here past his ear, and then it's going to come up. I'll make another one that goes out, and this one's going to come up to here. Now, those are about the only ones that are going to come across his face. Now we want to add just the rest of them that are going to kind of come right across like the back here. So I'm going to start up here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down to the ear. We're going to add a few little points here and make another one that comes down to the ears. And then I'm going to kind of draw this all the way past the ears too. We're just going to make some long lines that are just kind of come out and back in. And they're just going to kind of go all around here until they come down here. And we're just going to kind of do that same thing. We're just going to make these come all the way down to here. And I know it looks a little crazy up here, but once we start coloring all this in, you're not going to see all these different lines and everything. But there you go. There is your drawing of your EREN YEAGER TITAN. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.